Hello gentlemen, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. If we are working in construction or in mechanical field, we cannot avoid this ASME standards. Today is related to ASME Section 8 different stamps, their significance and their uses. All related to pressure vessels, depending on their pressure, their requirement, their uses. Types of ASME stamps available. It has a global acceptance. The ASME certification system is recognized and trusted by governments worldwide, meaning a vessel with ASME stamp is readily accepted in many countries. Some of the popular stamps we will be discussing today. You can see this stamp nameplate which has U stamp and all the informations are there. E is for electrical boilers. If S is for power boilers, which is section 1, N is for nuclear vessel, ASME section 3, H is for heating boilers, section 4, and then U originates from original unfired pressure vessels code, which is section 8. U2 is for pressure vessels alternate rules, section 8 division 2. UV3 is for pressure vessels, high pressure vessels, actually section 8 division 3. How to get ASME stamps? Pressure vessel manufacturers must obtain certificates from authorization from ASME to enable them to bid for and manufacture ASME code vessels. You cannot manufacture any code vessels and you cannot stamp by yourself until and unless you have proper approval from ASME. This issuance by ASME of a COA is based on a periodic survey of the shop regarding its ability to design and fabricate pressure vessels and its quality control system. Different types of popular stamps: U stamps, stamp, S stamp, PP stamp, R stamp, B stamp, H stamp and T stamp. If we compare ASME versus non-ASME coded vessels, what is the difference actually and why we should go for ASME stamped vessel? Why we need? Let us compare. U stamp vessel at the left, you may need a ASME vessel if your process involves pressure above 15 psi internal or external. You are working with hazardous or volatile material, you need ASME stamping. Your local, state, country regulation requires it. You need third party insurance approval. You operate in pharmaceuticals, aerospace, nuclear or other highly regulated industries. In parallel, a non-ASME vessel at the right is often sufficient if your process operates under low pressure. The vessel is used for mixing, holding or processing non-hazardous material. You do not require certification for regulatory, legal or insurance purposes. You want to reduce costs in a non-critical applications. Your production environmental has internal standards. So, maybe you have an internal standard which is much better or more strict than ASME, then also the manufacturer might say our standard is enough, we do not need a ASME stamp separately because it is also cost some additional money. Safety comes with some expense or cost. Each stamps are different, So, U stamps versus stamp. U stamp is typically more than 5 cubic feet volume and is mini, so unfired mini vessel, so it is less than 5 cubic feet and pressure typically 15 psi or higher for U stamp. Stamp is 5 cubic feet up to 250 psi, 3 cubic feet up to 350 psi, 1.5 cubic feet up to 600 psi. And the testing, U stamp should be tested with our authorized inspector who is residing, and stamp to get stamp inspection and tested by manufacturers certified individuals. ASME Code section 1, rules for construction of power boilers. This is the name of the standard. Stamp A is assembly of power boilers, stamp S is for power boilers, stamp M for miniature boilers, stamp E for electric boilers, PP for power piping, stamp V for boiler safety valves. Stamp N is for nuclear component, stamp NA nuclear shop assembly and installation, NPT nuclear parts, NV nuclear valves. Where there is NU, it is related to nuclear. Stamp H is for heating boilers, HLW is for line potable water heater. This ASME section 8 division 1 pressure vessels. This is rule for construction of pressure vessel, requirement for design, fabrication, inspection, testing and certification. So, here the U stamps are covered, is for pressure vessel, UM is for pressure vessel but miniature up to 5 cubic feet, we have just seen in the slide. UV is for pressure vessel safety valves. Stamp U2 is from division 2, pressure vessels manufactures with alternate rules, section 8 division 2. Section U3 UV3, it is from division 3, section 8, high pressure vessels manufactures as per section 8 division 3. Section 11 is rules for in-service inspection of nuclear power plant components. RP means fiberglass reinforced plastic pressure vessels. Now, U stamp indicates that the pressure vessel is designed and manufactured in accordance with ASME section 8, means it followed all quality control requirements of the boiler and pressure vessel code PPVC. Application used for unified pressure vessels. UM stamp used for smaller miniature vessels less than 5 cubic feet with slightly different requirement than those for the U stamp. Application is used for small specialized pressure vessels. U2 stamp ASME certification for pressure vessel design, fabrication, inspection and testing. It signifies that the manufacturer meets BPVC section 8 division 2 quality control requirement often for specific types of pressure vessel. National Board Inspection Code R. In order to satisfy authorities having jurisdiction that all their requirements are met and allow manufacturer to build vessel that will be accepted anywhere in the United States, Canada and other countries, the National Board NB of Boiler and Pressure Vessel Inspectors were formed. NB or National Board is responsible for enforcing and administering the ASME code. The NB issues COA for use the R stamp, which stands for repair, to be applied to ASME code and National Board stamped boilers and pressure vessels where repairs have been made. The board also carries out certification of safety valve. A V symbol is placed on code stamped relief devices, stamp R, repaired and alteration of previously ASME code stamped vessels, boilers and pipings. R stamp indicates that a facility is authorized to repair or alter pressure retaining equipment. When an R stamp repair is needed, a R stamp is generally required when there is a failure or a need to modify the ASME stamped pressure vessel boundary, such as in the case of pressure boundary failure, leaks or damage to the vessel critical barrier, field modification, adding a new nozzle or other components that require welding to the vessel, accidents, damage to the vessel wall from external impact or other incidents. UV stamp, the pressure relief valve PRV designed according to the ASME section 8 regulations will be stamped with a symbol UV. V is the symbol specifically identifies and it is being for the manufacture and assembly of pressure relief valve. V is valve, PRV, that means pressure relief valve. These are most popular stamped which I have discussed now with you. We just know that significance of these ASME stamps and what it stands for. If you gain or gather some knowledge from my video, please do not forget to share and subscribe my channel and hit the like button to inspire me more. Signing off for today, Showman.